Hey guys, Jobin here. A while ago I posted a video on my Spyderco Sharp Maker, and a number of people pointed out, quite correctly, that I really needed to clean the ceramic rods. And I said, yeah, I knew they were pretty dirty, but I wasn't getting very far cleaning them with soap and water. And I got a number of suggestions, one of which was to try Barkeeper's Friend. This is a cleaner that's very slightly abrasive. And so I did that on my Sharp Maker, and it worked so awesome that I wanted to make a little video showing how well it worked and how easily it works for cleaning. Whoop, someone's at the door. Okay, I'm back. I suppose I could reshoot that, but I don't really feel like it. By the way, package delivery. Safe. Cool. So anyway, I wanted to make a video showing how well the Barkeeper's Friend worked for cleaning up ceramic sharpening rods. So on this paper towel, I've got warm water and some soap. As you see, this white ceramic rod on my little Lansky turn box is almost completely gray. It's absolutely filthy. So let's try some soap and water. So there is some stuff coming up there. And from past experience, that's basically as clean as it's going to come. It's an improvement, but it's still pretty dirty. Okay, let's try some Barkeeper's Friend. When it's wet, it forms a sort of paste. Look at that. Much better and faster and easier. So I would definitely recommend either this specific cleaner or some other kitchen cleaner that has some abrasive stuff in it, because it'll really get the steel particles out of your ceramic. Oh, and by the way, look at this. This wasn't really worth making a video about on its own, I didn't think, but I did a wave job on an EL04. It's a little trickier than some of the others because of the humped blade design, but it's really low profile, but it still works. Anyway, they just happened to be sitting there, and I was like, oh, I should show that. So, there you go, guys. I hope you found that useful. Big thanks to whoever gave me that tip. I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was, because it was actually a couple months ago, I think. But anyway, stay safe. Remember where your knife is.